Hi, it's Dreadwas here, and I've just finished a group coaching call with some recruitment and search owners as one of our programs, and the topic came up of sales presentations and more specifically scripts and structure. What do you say during a sales meeting to give you the best possible chance of getting the job order on exclusive or retained terms? And although I don't necessarily agree with sales scripts, because they can sound, if they're not delivered properly anyway, they can sound well scripted and a bit robotic. I'm a big fan of having a sales structure, and one of the mistakes that you see recruitment and search owners make themselves, but also probably maybe more often, is when they send their consultants to meet prospects as well, is they're not following any particular structure. Now, what a structure gives you is it basically gives you the best possible chance of making the sale on your terms. So if you think, to give you an example, like if you think about IKEA, so hopefully you're at least familiar with it, ideally you've been there before. IKEA have, if you go to one of their stores, their furniture retailer, if you go to one of their stores, they've got an entrance and they've got an exit, and when you walk in through the entrance, you're led down a particular path. I think there's even arrows on the floor which tell you which way to walk, right? So they're leading every single one of the customers that come through the entrance is led down a particular path. And the reason they do that is because they know that gives them the best chance of making the most revenue from each person that walks in. Disneyland do it as well. If you go to a Disneyland theme park, you think about if you go on one of their attractions, you've got the ride, and then when you leave, you're led through the gift shop on a certain path. A lot of casinos in Vegas do it as well. They're structured in a way that is designed to get the maximum revenue from each customer. Now, although we're talking about sort of physical locations there, the same rule applies to your sales presentations or your sales meetings with prospects, right? There is if you do things in a particular order, you increase your chances of making a sale. If you have a particular structure, you increase your chances of making a sale. And the second that you miss something out of that structure or mix it up, change the order, you can still make some sales, I'm not saying that, but you decrease your chances. So it's very, very important that you have a set structure that you stick to when speaking to potential clients. You get clear on what journey you need to take them through from point A to point B to get the terms you want. And not only do you need to be clear on it as the owner of the business, if you've got consultants who are going out and meeting clients or speaking to clients on the phone, you need to make sure that they are too familiar with the structure and know it inside out, so that you know that every time anyone in your business speaks to a potential client, they're going through a particular structure that gives you the best possible chance of, one, not only making a sale, but making a sale on your terms. So ideally on an exclusive or on a retained basis. Now, if you want to find out more about how you can do that and how you can build a structure in your business, your sales process, and how you can really pass that structure on to your consultants, so not only you're doing it, your consultants doing it as well, we've put it all in this book. It's called The Persuasion, Influence and Sales Recipe for Recruitment and Search owners, and we're giving away a limited number of copies for free. So to get your free copy, we'll send it to you. To find out how you can get that, go to recruitmentsalesbook.com, so all one word, recruitmentsalesbook.com, and you can find out all the details about how you can get this book and how you can build a winning sales structure in your business. So every time you speak to a potential client, you're following a certain path, you're taking them down you're leading the process, right? You're not being led, you're leading the process. So it gives you the best possible chance of making a sale and making a sale on your terms. So I'll speak with you soon. Until then, take care, take action, and be relentless.